Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 0 on here and here, we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So this one we need to do first derivative of x multiplied by sine 2x. Next, we do first derivative of sine 2x multiplied by x. This one, we have first derivative of 1 plus x squared over 1 plus x squared. So, this one we have number 1. This one we have 2 cosine 2x. This one we have 2x. Now, if I put number 0 on here and here, you still got about 0 over 0. But in this situation, I will put about 1 plus x squared on numerator. We have s and s, we can simplify number 2 and number 2, we can simplify. And we have cosine 2x. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine ax over ax, you got about number 1. So in this situation, when s approach to number 0, this one you got about number 1. So we have the final answer. So we simplify this one and we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.